Hello guys, welcome back, and in this lesson we are going to consider pseudo elements. So pseudo elements, as the name suggests, they are used to style specific parts of an element. So for example, the first letter, the second letter, the third letter, the last letter, the first line, those specific parts of an element. You can be able to style them using the pseudo element. So what I'm going to do, I'm going just to use let us give this element or this paragraph here an ID and say that this guy is going to be, let us say, the first. Alright, say first P to mean the first paragraph, and if you can remember, we can use our guy hashtag and say first P like this, and then to use a pseudo element, you use two full colon, and then you can say now that I want to style. As you can see, there are so many suggestions here. I can just say first letter here, and then for the first letter, what I want is that I want it to have maybe a font size of let us say 30px, just to make it big, and then I can say maybe font does weight. We can say for now maybe bold. We can say also maybe the color. I think the color we can say maybe red. Alright, for now I think that is fine. So let us try and refresh here and see how it will appear. Yeah, as you can see now, our first letter has appeared quite big. So the next thing that we can do is that I believe we can also style the second letter, last letter. I'm not sure, but yeah, I think we can do the same thing here. So we can copy this. Let me try and see. Do this. Let us try and style the last letter here. So you can just say last letter. This seems not to be an element. Alright, let's see if this exists. Okay, last letter seems not to be there. So what we can apply also, I believe there is an after. That is just after the last, the last letter in the paragraph. What do you want to happen? What you can say, I want the content, maybe the content for the last letter to be, an exclamation mark. So if I go now here, I'll do a refresh. As you can see now, we have an exclamation mark here. And also I can apply another pseudo element known as I believe there is before. Say before, maybe I can also apply, I don't know, maybe carrots like that. We go here, do a refresh, and then we have carrot like that, and the first letter, as you can see, is now formatted. And also, let me see what else can we apply. Let us try one more, the one which I don't know. Let us try another one and see. Alright, there are quite a number here, so let us try. I believe there is first line. Yeah, first line. First line, we can copy this, we can paste there, and then let us try to do this. Let us generate lorem here, like that one. Let's go here. Actually, let us generate a lot of lines here so that we can see if it will actually format this. So I'll go here, I'll also say lorem again. Alright, lorem like this one. Now let me confirm this here. I'll go down here, I'll say lorem again. do that one, and go down and say lorem again, do that one. Let's go to the browser, let us do a refresh here and see. Yeah, and it works. You see the first line now is formatted while the other lines are not formatted. So that is how you can be able to apply the pseudo elements to just format what you need specifically on an element.